Hi, beloveds. Let me ask you something. How bad does it have to get before you take action? Some of you are suffering and complaining as if you're in prison or as if you're tied up. It may feel like that, but that fantasy is not the truth. The truth is, you're more powerful than you give yourself credit for. The truth is, all you have to do is make up your mind to stop suffering and step onto the path of change for the better. The truth is, your future and your happiness rests in your hands. You may feel sad, depressed, anxious, irritated, angry, or just, blah, blah. All of that can be cured with action. The problem is, some of you would rather stay at a job that causes you trauma than take action to change your situation. The problem is, some of you would rather ask a doctor to medicate you than ask yourself to take responsibility to redo your resume and hire a coach. It's easier to complain. It's easier to complain than plan. It's easier to complain than plan your escape from your job and all that. I get that. And what is also true is that if you keep doing the same things, you will get the same results. We know that. We've heard that before because it is true. So be different. Do different. Think different. Believe differently. Wholeness is the new rich. Joy is the new wealth. Stop letting life just happen to you. Be deliberate, beloveds. Take care of yourself.